Welcome back to the How to Office channel. We'll print a large image in Microsoft Excel and divide it onto multiple sheets of paper, making the image even larger. If you don't know how, watch this tutorial to learn how. In the previous tutorial, I used a feature on a Canon printer to print an image into multiple sections, but that feature limited it to 16 sections. So, how do I print an image into more than 16 sections? First, change the page orientation from portrait to landscape, as the image I'm printing is landscape. Adjust the orientation accordingly. Then, zoom out or reduce the display of the Excel worksheet. Then, enlarge the image until it covers more than 16 pages. Then, print the page and see the results. So, it was easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.